Danking yabonga. Welcome to Enkundleni exclusive. Yebo lamhlanje ngiphethe indlovukazi to the Mfumfi for sure. From all the four corners of planet Earth, everyone stand up and give a big shout out to J. Skipanda.
Right.
Ukrent.
Yeah, I'm right.
All the way from the continent of Krautpark.
Yay. All the way in Crossili Porter. Hey, Zima.
Kukachana nga.
Ama-tollgate, ama-police endleleni, everything.
And so forth. Hey, you're looking fresh.
Thank you.
Fresh. Always making your own point. What you bring the culture and the closer thing.
Yes, you know.
Yeah. Representing.
Yes.
Jazz queen.
Yes.
Do you see yourself as the Afro jazz queen?
I think so. But I consider myself as an Afro soul singer.
Okay.
Yeah. The queen, obviously.
The queen.
Yes. I don't know about jazz manje because saying but yeah, that's where I started. So yeah.
Okay. So being versatile is part of your thing.
Yes, I'm very versatile.
Oh. So what really inspires you to ukungena lapha nalaphana doing this or ngumphando wakho?
I think art anti abantu art nxa uvele usegazini uyaqasa lapho ungene lapha uphume lapho ugcine la uqala somewhere. So mina for me I think ngaqala obviously esikolo I was doing almost everything. I was into sports, I was into choir, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was into sports. And so I was very active. Umuntu nje ohlala active, umntana active, yabo.
Level energy.
Yeah, I'm very active because I'm angikhulume kakhulu. So the only thing that made me happy ukuthi nje ngibe nabantu and do ezinye izinto ezingenza yabona ngibe visible. So music ihambelana yangena ku dance, acting yangena ku dance, music. So mina ngakudibanisa konke ngabona ukuthi kuyangisebenzela konke kwakhipha.
Kuma sports, which sport do you do?
My sports I used to do netball kakhulu in school. Then even after, because my mom was a football coach and a netball coach. So ngingayenzanga music lokho kwe-art, I think I was going to be maybe a netball player professionally or something to do with sport. Not ukugijima kodwa. I can't.
You can't run.
No, ngili data.
and then your dad, what did he do?
Umdala
What does he do?
I say kugida athesi. So I retire. He was a teacher. Woodwork, YNCC woodwork, and also Leovet actually.
Yes.
Umntana Qeqe kaloku so manje basemakhaya nje sebezidlela impension, but he does nje woodwork here and there because I think ibaba mfundisa into yona le ukuthi babe ngena yamthole lapha umasalu business woman lo lapha, so I think I adapt to Gibo vele.
And you're the only child?
Yes, I'm the only child in my family.
You're the only child mom and dad, or there are other half brothers and half sisters?
Ukhona half brother oga dada.
Okay.
Yeah, he's somewhere in South Africa. Yeah, but mama and dada, I'm the only child.
You keep in touch with your brother, everything is cool?
Yeah, everything is cool. Why rapper?
Okay. Why he was known as who?
Ex something. Not ex my ex.
Okay.
So yeah, I think kokaqala la khona into zokucula lezi. Yeah.
So you're working on a project in Semathandweni. Tell me about it.
Yes, saying should delay a video. It's out. Semathandweni. It's a love song. Engai producer Lens, Dega Bits, and featuring Raylo Vic Ochai guitar. It's just a beautiful love song nje. Ethi mele abantu babekezele. ngoba emathandweni kuyafiwa.
Umjolo uyasinyisa.
Umjolo uyanyiwa. So ngahlabelela laba abanyiswayo ukuthi hayi duduzeka. Noma nje kunzima kuyadlula kodwa uthando into ehlala ikhona. Uyamthola omunye adlule, umthola omunye. Kodwa kumele umuntu somehow.
Kumele ube ngumuntu wabantu kumbe wabantu womuntu. Okay, so can you ngicela mbijana ngisemathandweni? Can ngicela unchayele just a few lines?
My babo.
Yes, my babo. Umjolo yabanyisa bo.
Okay. Nana ngihlabela ama lyrics make sense kungoma le.
Anteka phone. So it's an exclusive vibe.
Ithi ngabe ndiyaphupha ngalolu thando ndithi yini naye ndivayo ndiphe yona. Bonile langaphandle kuyafiwa kufuna ispeed. Funa ubekezela. Bonile langaphandle kuyafiwa kufuna ispeed. Funa ubekezela. Yeah,
Nice,
just a glimpse.
Sounds like a true story lyrics. Usemathandweni lobani?
Ngihlabelela ngasemathandweni. It's not like phela nxa ngibhala ingoma ngibhalela ukuthi ngisemathandweni. It's just the inspiration nje ingxenye yange ngiyibonile somewhere enenza ngibhale ingoma. It's not always ukuthi I'm writing it for myself. No. I'm just spreading the love kwalaba basebathandweni.
All right, so besides the lights, uthi uhlabela ingoma le you were glowing. Qeqe, just tell us thongo ngobani isibongo or ngobani ibizo, and maybe since it's approaching Valentine with after Valentine, you know, these loving and thandings. Yabefuna ukuzwa la ukuthi ubhe wami celebrate.
Ngisingle.
Single? Will you be proud after years that?
I'm single.
Yeah, all right, okay. I understand. Umzule mjida bakuphikile. Uqeqe uthe usingle.
I'm not searching.
And you're not searching? Yes, you all say that. Why?
Yeah.
Why
I kulezikhathi engangisearching. But now I'm not. I'm alright. Ukhona umuntu enginaye but I really can't say the name and the surname right now.
Okay.
Engimthanda yesibili kakhulu. Naye uyangithanda. But angifuni nje ukukhuluma igama lakhe.
Okay, mtshele phela ukuthi baby ngiyakuthanda.
I love you my darling. Uyakwazi now.
Just convince me. Qeqe phela you're an actor. Convince him ukuthi baby ngiyakuthanda.
Amfuna uku-actor phela.
Yes, so convince him. Umtshele lebizo. Akuso problem. Mina I can shout out ngithi hey baby ngiyakuthanda.
Ngiyakuthanda baba. Ngiyakuthanda kakhulu sithando sami.
Yes. So definitely Mjita, you know what you have to do? Can you reply kuma comments? Yes.
Can reply abantu abayi-10.
Which is good. Onguya sizambona khona bana. Yes. On our comment section we'll definitely see ukuthi
Low is the one.
He is the one.
Mana Slint.
Yes. So but in this male dominated industry, how have you managed to come out and show out what is really inside you?
I think it's all about hard work. Ungasebenza nzima and ujele ukuthi whether the industry nama doda amaningi azawuncindezela onjani. I think umsebenzi wakho ngomela ubonakalisa ukuthi you know umuntu lo uyaphuzisile. So I think that's I think because ongisevile ku-industry leyo usebenza nzima and uba outstanding ukuthi I make sure ukuthi whatever I do kumele ngihlale on top of the game.
Nice. So kuhlala kubloma amajita, the producers abangamajensi, yes, abantu abashoota ama-video abangamajensi for the shoots and whatever. Hayi bona yiba manipulate amankazana. When if you were to blame the girl child, what would you say amankazana yini abakwenza wrong in terms of their approach which leads to amajenti taking advantage of them?
I think indaba it's like any other industry ukuthi ungathola kulo boss kumbe kulobani. Nxa uzakhonjiswa. Nxa uzavuma. And uzavuma. Ufuna ukomba uboss wakho ufuna ukwenzani. Okay. Uyabukhonjisiwe. So nxa umuntu mela yale nxa engafuni into, yabo. So I think khonapho ekwesiphamani sakhona ukuthi if you go to the studios and those guys mankazana we always like we're women, so at some point ingxenye siyabonisa ngani ingxenye wena usiqinisa ungihawukela, yabo. Then sokutshintsha to you doing favors for me. Mina nxa ngibuye e-studio ngathi vele ngibeke imali yami nazi $10. But ngenxa ukuthi hayi usungikhombisa. So ngenxa ukuthi vele lathi sithanda ama-favors njengabomama. Ukuthi hayi sifuna ukwenza into ezilula. Sengithatha imali yana sengenjani? Sengisebenzisa wena ukuthi konjani? Sengifuna ukurekhoda. So lokho kuyenziwa yithi. Yabo. Nxa ungavumelanga uyenze into, awumelanga mine egamini le awula umuntu ongama lapha mina ngangena ngeback door. Okay. Straight so awumelanga angathi ngakufaka njani.
Ufuna ama-favors kakhulu.
Udinge favor ukuthi nxa ukuthi umuntu lo lento ethile. What if let's say umuntu yikho ugcina sithi khona it's better maybe ungaba abafazi bebe ngama-producers. Fundile abanye bebe khona ukuze kungabi lama abuse ugcina ukuthi akona ukuthi dawenze so nontombazane benzisejuicer into ezinjalo. Because kuyenzakala any industry noma kungathi ukusetshenzwa khona kuyatholakala khona ukuthi singundengundle
industry.
So it's up to you njengomfazi ukuthi wena ufuna uphathe yiphi. And ungalandela leya nanti uphathe wrong uzahamba la izoyigcina.
Yes, because when you interviewed with Qeqe magazine, you said you might experience manipulation and suppression simply because you are a female. Yes. So now when you're now a professional sound engineer, how far is it going in terms of preparing for your studio and everything?
A few things now. I think short and ngento but anga in a studio fully. I still have to learn, but I really want to do this like full time. Challenge if it's not a bedroom studio, kube into yenza iqalisa for even ngangifuna podcast anything. Kube into yami ngizenza with my own equipment ngingahluthi umuntu. And I'm trying.
How was the experience working with Sandra by then?
It was nice. It was khona ukuthi sikamantombazana and we're just free sonke nini nje nxa ufuna ukufunda safunda because sasenze culture mostly. So mina nje umuntu vele uthanda culture. It was an interesting experience for me. It was all right.
Well, was she protecting you from the industry vultures?
Yeah. I noma ngangiyang sibili, I think konkwano ukuthi akuzange kube le stories funny and I see kokwadilizi group yabona stories ukuthi maybe intombazane ngale zazenza lokho no akuzange kube le stories funny. We penetrated ku-industry kuhle same emazweni ngomsebenzi wethu yabo. Yeah.
Then what's the most valuable lesson that you learned from her?
Usanda wayesitshela ukuthi bogogo nxa lihamba kuma-tours nxa lihamba actually kumele umuntu asileye athini sasigqoka soqwathi.
So that's why she's still slaying right now.
Yeah.
Vele kusemthanjeni wakhe.
Ula usegazini ugeli. So yikho asifundisa khona ukuthi nxa noma kuthiwa umuntu ugidela iphi group ugide because antu yakwathi abazali abesithi I think wayenza ukuthi ukubelieve ukuthi into leyana ukuthi yeyontombazana banje abagidayo banje njani konkhwana kwadilizwa ukuthi amantombazana nxa egida banje because safunda ukuthi kona kumele sizithithe njani kumele nxa abantu belibona nxa sithutshe emtshadweni sithi noma sizozitshela ingongo zethu sithutshe si representable. So I think it's one of the things that I learned from Intombi Zomqala and Spare.
So lokho sikuzwa ukuthi kuma dance group lapha kuma musical groups amankazana la agcina edingelwa ama blesser, you didn't have that kind of experience?
No, I didn't. Ngazabanye ababe badala kulathi, but mina no, ukuthi vele into ezinjanjani ayizwani lazo. So azange ngafika ku level yona le ukuthi sesidingelwa
ama blesser.
Okay, hayi. Ufuna usidingelwa uzidingela.
But then awukaba ama blesser ama sugar daddy.
Konke sugar daddy baba.
Yes, sugar daddy. I wonder what happened to the sugar. It became blessers. Then now when you're writing your music, what really influences you?
Like I said, I'm a soul singer. Whatever I write about should be soulful and into engizibonayo nje emphakathini and ezenzakalayo ebantwini or my own life experiences. So I think ikho kunginspire ukuthi nxa ukuthi I'm low, ngifeel good, ngiyakwanisa ukuvuka ngibhale ingoma ngicabange whatever kuyazenza kodwa ukuthi if I'm feeling
khuluma uthi ngiyafikela.
Okay, ngine something inside ephumayo ibhala ingoma because ngiyabhala ingoma fana lokho record. If I record a song ngani into nje engilayo nje ukuthi ngingarecorda mina ngabhala ingoma ngasafuna ukuyizwa because i moment yangikhona khona pha yabo. So yeah angikwazi ukuthi ngakuchasisa kanjani. Ngiyafikela.
Uyafikela.
Ngiyafikela kubhaleni lapha. Yeah.
So now tell me, does your music present your Xhosa culture?
I sing in Xhosa.
I mean, like cultural values akhona emaXhosa. Is it reflected in your music?
Yes, it is. MaXhosa vele sazwa singabantu bomculo. Sazwa singabantu beculture. So I always try ukuthi even engomeni zami uzwe ukuthi lo muntu ngumXhosa, yabona. Xhosa walapha. Weka lokho. Mele abantu bebekwazi ubandi ngumXhosa, not we South Africa ngumXhosa walapha. Amfuni ma mixture ukuthi kona and ngaba le problem ngize nge South Africa ukuthi abantu nxa if you tell them ukuthi uyaXhosa, they don't believe you. Abanye amaXhosa abakwazi uba kunamaXhosa apha. So lapha abantu abakwazi thula amaXhosa lapha. So people get confused when you sing ngesixhosa lapha eZimbabwe. Sebona ngathi ngathi umuntu lo sezama ukwenzani. Sezama ukuzenza umXhosa yabona. So I've always struggled with that actually, but because mina ngimuntu othanda isixhosa sakuthi, I'll always try ukuthi ngibonise uba we are here and we are here to stay. And balutshwana abantu abasesixhoseni abayaziwayo ku-industry le abarepresentayo sibili ngababala sibili. So that's why I always sing ngesixhosa and to put
make other Xhosas feel motivated.
Exactly.
Any other Xhosas that you know of which are in the music industry lapha?
Yeah, uvuyile Kongo.
Oh, Vuyi.
Yeah, lo uvuse Mangena ohlabela gospel. Nobani kakade. No Thambani Nombulelo wes Khulumani FM. Yeah, I think about 5 people that I know about industry sibili fully.
When are you planning to work together lingamaXhosa this child is qhaqitha apha?
Sizawunenzela ishow kaloku shini mfondini. Sizawuyenza ishow ezawudibanisa abantu bonke ngenye imini.
Definitely you should.
Yeah.
And have you tried to link up with Vuyo saxophone?
Yeah, I've worked with Uvuyile on yeah, sengisebenze naye but uma tracks ngilovusa Mangena nalo.
Yeah. So you've worked ngamaXhosa?
Yes, we've worked.
Nice.
Yeah, I've got nice songs sibili.
Because bebe ngikhuza kuthiwa ngathi Vuyo sax, ngithi Vuyo saxophone.
Phone. Kunga
I think ngimfunda nzima because uzamile ukumfundisa iXhosa uyaraba kanti no. I'm not going to try. So now when I'm looking back to Intombi Zomqala, you really learned a lot.
Yeah, I did. I learned a lot, but angimanga khona apho because ngase sengikwazi dance. So kwasokulula ukuthi noma ngathola enye group ngijoyine. Then ikho kwabuya khona ostitcher labo bani.
Your acting career now.
My acting career now. Lapho engablosoma khona.
So you feel like who's teacher the panel so actor's teacher and what's the other one?
Usuku.
Yes, Usuku. That's when you felt like this is my big break.
Yes, I think so. Kompana, I think because ngase ngidumile sibili ngimangala ukuthi every week newspaper.
So khona style.
Newspaper next week newspaper. So ikho ngabona khona shuthi khona into engiyenzayo lapha ekhanyayo sibili. Kwaqala from Usuku iZBC production. Then wabuya stitcher anti waye stage play. So from the stage play you can ngaqala khona abantu sebeqale baqala.
By then imali zenu zingena kuhle.
Hayi imali yayisikhona sibili. Angazi ukuthi these days uhamba njani. Abantu sibili babebhadala sibili kudala. Liyenze sibili play hwahwa imali yenu selithole. Deso kunzima mbe iCovid. Asithi iCovid.
No.
COVID-19.
Kolema. Angwazi isikhala ngani?
Yeah.
Yes, kolema.
Kolema mfondini.
Yeah.
So from khona phana ngangena ku stitcher wanika ilimelight udlodlo wangiphusha kakhulu and ngaqasa ukunothiswa ku acting side la ku theater kakhulu because I liked ama plays ale music dance le acting, so I would really do that well yabona. So abantu babeqasa ukunginothisa beqasa ukungidinga for other plays. Then I did so many plays, maybe nxa sengwabala kathesi mvele hayi maningi, maybe 30 like live and stage plays and TV.
And TV production.
And TV production.
Well, is that the time when Konti Mhlanga was in his prime? Did you work with him?
Umuntu angasebenza la ngoSticks not uKonti wayesengani ayisasesihlangana laye nje anzange ngasebenza la esibili futhi, but ngumuntu lwana okwakuthiwa nxa ukuthi senze play eyinye uyabuya ezokhanyela ukuthi uhamba njani. So yeah,
Sticks is Mhlanga futhi.
Umnaka khona.
Okay, I think maybe I would have.
Yeah,
okay. So now talking about your payments and everything, so you really convinced their industry bodies that don't pay people?
Yeah, definitely. Abantu ababhadaliwe and they feel like ukungabhadali umuntu you shouldn't say anything and gibo ku right. Yabo ukuthi ungacomplaina su artist lanempi. And I mean if it's my money, it's my money. Nxa nisebenzele umeli boy. Sometimes akuyekela kudlule, but I amelanga abantu babe ngamabhuli bazitshela ukuthi kona industry ngeyabo. Because I saw yabi industry. Thina yethi esiyenza kuyenzeka. Yabo. Ukuthi bona bathole imali yangikhona. Mbe promoter mbe kuyini. You need artists, you need musicians, you need dancers. So nxa umuntu enza umsebenzi umnike imali yakhe.
Simple as that.
Simple. Singagcinisi siye court cabana.
But umbuzo wami Qeqe, I come back to you because you might say the industry is policing. Even the States industries. Is that South Africa ambitious?
But we are poor, at least something, Bill.
Yeah, but now, how do you get into those deals? Lingena njani maqala lingakwazi ukuthi imali niyaphuma nini njani?
Andu wala contract.
So you're telling me like the people that you work with bali sign some contract okuthaza lebhadala?
Yes, usign a contract ukuthi uza bhadalwa. Baze badlula ngabantu emtshadweni. Ongasayina in contract. And emkadweni sometimes awusayini contract. Yamtshela ukuthi hayi ngifuna half pay yami. Akunika imali, igcineni ngicela imali yami. La bayasayina contract.
I like this story.
Usayina contract. Unganikwa imali yakho ye contract yakho. Cina uzithulela nje.
Li complain
on social media. Cina lose value futhi imali yangikhona cina ubona pay imali sizi 50 bond le. Ayisayenzi ngicomplaineleni yabo. So I think abantu mele babhadala. Ama-artists they work hard kakhulu. So kumele abantu babhadala imali zabo noma ngaphi, noma ubizwe ku-event enganani ka Big Zulu. Nxa imali ithe yangena give the artist imali because umuntu nxa uBig Zulu umnika mbimbi 100,000 ehlule unike artist yalapha locally something I chuthi sisemuva as a nation.
Esikhulumela umphakathi.
Sisemuva.
And how do you propose is the solution to this? Should artists boycott bethi no as perform singakabhadalwa? What do you think has to be the solution?
I think because now I think abanye abantu sesibaza abanye abanjalo le lama functions are tricky. So abantu ukuthi ama artists ngokutshela ama artists awubula uthanjani uza boycotta wedwa.
Yeah, definitely.
Uza boycotta wedwa mfondini. Gqiba apha awusahayo for the whole year. So kuthiwa lo yakhathaza lo yakhathaza uthanda imali. Thethela imali all the time.
But usebenzela yona
phela. So even ngazuthi khona hayi mina hayi ngibeli boycott esibilimbeli 5. Wena uzamawa wena ukuthi hayi awusayenzi lokhu zeni. But which is not a bad thing because kumele sikhulumele slama rights lat. So I think khonapho kuhamba into adikhuluma ngubeke lapha nesithi ama lawyer ukuthi
you have to engage.
I think because okunye sokuphezulu kwamandla ethu as artists ukuthi kona then because ansoze ngikwanisa ukuthi ngiyekhulumela imali because usiphonya amazi phela afika ukuthi ndoda
buya ngapha uzondlabelela
yabo imali phela awufa ngenxa ukuthi ngiyakwazi so kusibanzima ukuthi sinjani siye phambili ucina unike imali besicina sixabana ngenxa ukuthi ngiyakwazi ngubhuru wami so ikho somele kungene ama lawyers kuhle sithi sign a contract mina I think into enza and noma ngaze nzondo akula plan as long into kulamanye ama agreements ukuthi hayi madoda lapha kula mali I've worked all my life ukuze mfike to this point empilweni yami sengasebenzela mahara for isikhathi eside kakhulu so ukuthi umuntu angabela lapha ethi hayi not asenze so ngizenza hayi angeke nyahle lapha sifuna ukuphusha agenda le sifuna ukwenza so angeke nyahle but ungabuya uthi zwana la I've got bucks I've got millions ngifuna ukwenza ku cover size sibhalela naphansi that I can't.
Yes. Now you're complaining about money, so you're not complaining about money. You're just saying your opinion about money. So now you're a two-time winner, two-time award winner for Nama. For that one. Then boom, you set the internet on fire. Try when you break the internet. You break the internet. This is not working. The relationship play is not working. You go online. I think that one I don't know, but I suspect maybe it's Jolo ended crazy. Now you're taking it out on awards. Maybe I think that's my own 2 cents. I think the first thing you wake up in your room on your so they are like, no, that's causing all my troubles. You go online, you trash them, you trash all the awards. And then now, don't answer me on that part. And then now you've been nominated for the Zima. Do you still carry the sentiment or lie before?
Because what I said, I won't take my words back. Konoke ngakhulumayo ngenama, ngangikhuluma engangubona. I've never won a Zima, so angeke bekwazi bona barana njani. La ngikhulumela amanama. Not abanye bagcina sokungenwa vele sokusiba iroborea because abantu bawa offended somehow ukuthi hey
this is true. Ngabona lo mandla la sithi awadlamle.
Asengena yatha abantu. Yes. So mina ngisikhulumela nje umbono wami my opinion yami about what happened kumanama because I've got 2 numbers. Ngathatha inama ngemncane ngathatha enye sengimdala and for me lokho kuyi treatment engani yafana kulento ezingani azikalungiswa kuhle And wangena sibili bhuti uNapoleon wangena walungisa so ngingathola inama kathesi angikwazi ukuthi kuyahamba njani
aya bakubalela kuhle did you think it will grow to that wacabanga ukuthi it will grow to that proportion
no because into le ngiyikhuluma futhi ngedwa lo bururu originalist
ngubani
yaqasa yabhalwa ngulanga indaba le in fact ngayibhala ku Facebook ngibhala ngani ngijoke ngithi I'm selling my gongs if you saw that
faka them emsikeni
no I didn't
no I mean like did you really sell them with guys nanti sama gongs la
no ngakhuluma as a joke because ngapho nguvuka ngathi shit ngapho nguthi ama gongs lawa mbani wafunayo
stress
athi ama gongs lawa mbani wafunayo for me I was just because really I normally say things on Facebook jokingly then ulanga wayidopa won't that's a story
that's a good story
nansi story wayibhala okokuqala abantu I think wayibhala uBmetro and abantu abazange bayibona kuhle post yokuthi when I said
amagongs
they are useless and then yasidotshwa nguSindiso uSindora
for
focus yeah likho kwaba le problem khona
wahle
wayithi wahle wabhala kwakuthiwa kanje headline ansakhumbula but it was talking about nama what useless njani and I never expected ngaba le anxiety yakwazi because people know me as uqeqe abanye abakwazi ukuthi vele abanye basasi kanti wayecabangani bakithi wayengenwe yikuyini and abanye abangaziyo nje labanye abakhulukhulu beindustry ukuthi kathi umntwana sengenwe
I remember abakhulukhulu beindustry but that's when they got a stray bullet
uthi how kathi umntwana lo kathi ukuhamba nje sengene kwini yabo and surprisingly into yahamba ya 2 weeks ngaqala first week ngathi kuma groups ngathi ngabhalela mani Msizkay wathi akuvuka ubonke ukwenzakalani angena ngathi Facebook angena ngathi Twitter abanye bekhuluma irubbish vele sebenditholele khona apha abanye wakhulunywa first week
kwathidlwe
first week azingaba lenza ukuthi kathi into le sihambe in fact yahamba yafika sibili endlebeni I think la kunama and inama they did not say anything
they kept quiet
nothing they did not say anything akula muntu vele wa respondayo from the awards binama nothing la thina
emphakathini ebantwini
esintwini umthwakazi phela sithande esintwini ukuqhwetshwa ukuthintwa ukuthwa abantu basebekhuluma vele bengasazwakala ukuthi bengasasizwa le story samthi vele sisithi
why silwa lama awards
ngathi bini award engaliwinayo yile ngikhuluma ngalo ukuthi mina vele I feel like alizange lanisebenzela so if nxa ufuna umele kutshintshwe whatever umele kutshintshwe kuzatshintshela abanye abantu not me because mina sengilawa ama awards but I'm saying whoever is going to get this award at least they should do something kungaphonga ukuthi khona iglass lelo ulifake endlini hayi personally that was my own personal opinion but I cannot go to Harare and come back with a gong or a certificate or whatever just like that. That was my
yes, I think it comes that does not emanate from the roots of studying this, of getting into industry, because you are calling people to your home, they're coming to pay you. So I'm thinking on a very Enkundleni yakho, since we're young, you were thinking this thing has to pay me.
It's business. It's business.
At the end of the day.
But ngase ngicompare ukuthi esikolo ngampiwa even ngawina. Impiwe isipho right, not even imali. Talking of appreciation would have been nice.
I understand. So now the Zima Award, you're nominated for what?
Best alternative music.
Best alternative music. So
and I'm so excited.
Yes. So kumele sivote, kumele kuhambe njani?
Kuyavotwa.
Yeah. Okay, kusenza njani? Chasisa konke.
Angabe kwazi, kodwa ukuthi akuzavotwa. abakasitsheli kodwa inxeke uzafika sebekhethile inxeke so asikwazi ukuthi kuzavotwa njani.
Hopefully ibizo lakho liyaqhubeka lokho
I hope so. I don't care. I want as many awards as I can. What display khona phana ngihlale ngingacaphuka ngiwakhangele.
Yeah, not ungacaphuka. Lo like athe.
Ngicaphuka.
Engaphinda futhi njengalwana.
Ngiyakhuluma ngawo.
Ama-awards labo producer semfuna ukukhuluma. Community ngirelease yini lakho enhlizweni.
Yeah. I appreciate, ama-awards ngakula ma-awards ngakula ma-ceremonies lawa ngasi yini. So ukuba nama-awards khonokho kuyasinceda lathi ku-bio if you're going somewhere ukuthi I've won this, I've won that, because still at the end of the day ngomsebenzi wami futhi yabo. So siyaqhubeka thina siyaphambili. I still want to win a BET ngelinye ilanga. So konke lokhu kuyamprepare for amanye ama-awards azaba makhulu ngendlela mina ngifuna ngayo ukuthi abe makhulu ngawo.
Very, very, very true, very true. And then now tell me about your song titles. How do you come up with them? Ubuye phizolo lapho uyakhuluma futhi. Diphuma kimi uyathetha futhi. Ngisemathandweni uyathetha futhi. Kumnyama khaya ngathi relationship yayisiphele futhi. And then usuya futhi uthi ngiphelele. Akwazi ukuthi ngiphelele emathandweni. O ngiphelelwe angisakwazi ngiphelelwe angisakwazi ngenzeni. How do you come up with these titles akhulumayo? When I'm Msizkay, I feel like definitely a feature.
Uyambuluzela Msizkay afuna ukwenza feature lami.
You've talked to him?
Msizkay sihlana kuma projects sonke. Xa sihlangana vele abona umuntu ohlangana layo likhulume ukuthi project lana.
Yes, how far?
Siyenza next week futhi sesihlangana futhi siyenza njalo lo msisi. But well, I think uzaba lesikhathi. Yonke into lesikhathi sayo. We shouldn't push it.
So you've talked about the feature or level phongo uhlalisana khona ukuthi Qeqe samsithatha phela lapha senze so asilokuze kuyana.
No, ukuthi I think ikona kwani ukuthi umuntu nxa umazi strength sakhe yabumhawukela ukuthi yabona umuntu lo ngafeature la lo singayenza ingoma enhle yabo la ehawukela ukuthi Qeqe singayenza ingoma sithu but akwenzakala.
Okay,
we've tried.
Sis, we are going to run a campaign for you.
We've tried. La uyakwazi.
Work with Qeqe. So how do you come up with ama-titles akho la?
Ama-titles uyela nge-chorus. Xa ngibhala nto ngiyabhala kubuye i-chorus.
Akhuluma phela ama-title lawo athetha.
Yes, because mina ngibhala ingoma ezithethayo kalo. Yande ngitshela ukuthi ngiyakhuluma vele ezingomeni. So that's why
true story music.
Yeah, so yikho engubisayo on the table ukuthi nxa sikhuluma amanzi wona la ukuthi sechisa. Yikho khona lokho. Ngiyakhuluma ngawo.
Okay. So that's how you come up with the titles engoma zakho. Because when I wakhangela I was like no, unkazana kulendwa lisana layo.
No, I think inxe yikho okungisebenzelayo mhlawumbe. I don't know. Maybe inxe yali kuthandi lina but angikwazi.
Hayi thina mina ngisho ukuthi angikuthandi. It just fascinates me. Kathi kuhamba njani. All right, now I want to go back to a topic love. Do you think you're successful in relationships or kuyanyiswana nje? Like looking at the track record yama relationships akho.
Akukwenza ingomeni.
Yes, angizayi ngithi kuseza ingomeni.
Singathi kuseza ingomeni.
Asichiza ingoma sisifake eceleni. Wena mawuzikhangele uzoqeqe shiwe. The relationship wise, do you think you're successful kuma relationship because lina mankazana le entertainment liyahlupha?
Siyahlutshwa sometimes.
Yes, liyahlupha. Kuhamba njani? Tell me when personally your experience.
Sihlupha anhluphi mina. But I'm very straightforward. So nxa into engangihambi asize sihambisane.
Okay.
I'm very straightforward and I think khona khwana ukuthi labantu enhlana la bale fear abanye babelama high hopes. Abanye angwazi babembona njani. Kulabanye abantu ababuyayo nje ku relationship bebuyela uqeqeshiwe. Babuyela uqeqeshiwe. Ababuyeli mina personally ukuthi mina njengomuntu mina ngilendlela zami into engizenzayo ngimi ngendlela zami and so musician ngesikhathi sangikhona so
in my own space njengoqeqe ngifuna uthanda
yeah mina ngiyathanda phela ngiyathanda phela hayi phela hayi siyathanda ngiya hey hayi singaba seZimbabwe
hamba lingaphenduli embembezi khona ngale behamba bengabuyi
so yeah I wouldn't say ukuthi yeah kunje so roller coaster sibili roller coaster kuyasheshwa but I believe the one uzabuya abazabuya kunqabuya ngaye ngokwakhe
so currently right now is ngiyobuthe uzabuya you might not be Mbiyambo usenkingeni
I mean I'm alright. I mean I'm that's a problem ukuthi maybe female artists were independent so nxa bona ngani wena uzabuya lento ezimangalisayo ku relationship kumele zimangalise sibili and nxa zimangalisa kumele
coloring lapho
asiphonga uyenza izinto thina so nxa engakhalanga ayi sizabuya futhi senze enye interview futhi next year
lapha why Qeqe uhamba njani njengosigele every time I'm seeing her she's always promising with invitation card ye wedding yabuya
I mean I'm promise I can't promise you wedding bells
busy
yeah I'm very busy but I am flexible nxa sokubuya sibile lapho engifuna ukuthanda khona ngiyanika isikhathi sami and ngiyanika isikhathi sami yakhohlwa futhi ngomsebenzi wami sengihard break futhi
suthikela
bayazobhala
I think we have to open a venting center siyafaka amambodlela into eziningi lezitulo othi left ngale isithaya kuphela njengama artist
phume sihambe
yes so now you're working with jam sessions how is that session how is that experience I mean
it's nice yo those guys are amazing and sengifunde kakhulu musically because I like into zama band that's who I am so I think those guys yeah they're professionals and bayazi umsebenzi wabo and yeah I'm hoping ukuthi sabe siloko sipusha sebenza sonke because I'm part of jam session band and also labo bajayile ukungichayela yabo so yeah it's nice
all right so now I give you me I give you Asef I give you Feb G and it's me Asef and Feb G who would you kill Mary and Flash
ha
yes who would you kill Mary and Flash Feb G Asef and Sipho
Feb G mncane
so you would do what
he's too young
so
for
you
me
would do what you would do what you kill him you would marry him you would flash him
so what
are you going to do so he's going to get flashed yes so since we won't marry Feb G so if Feb G is flashed then Asef and Sipho there's kill and marry now
when I was nyancane
yes don't do me favors
yeah you know yeah my ninigalami but what's it
Singachacha guys I just got this so I just got killed so you will then marry Asef
yeah the nigger
man crush I know why I'm going I think instead of you marrying Asef I will first have to make a match between you and Yvonne Maposa so it won't be just an easy thing
hey manje kuyabe kudliwa
yes kuyabe kudliwa Xhosa versus I don't know what she means yeah well, so now rounding up what would you like to say to other young talented Zimbabweans out there
well this industry is not easy obviously especially in my city let's just keep on keeping on pushing and I hope because I've seen this year even last year ukuthi ama promoters they are now engaging local artists kuma big events and I hope kuzaqhubeka kusiba njalo so let's keep on releasing music let's put out content senze yonke into. One day uzadojwa so umangala ukuthi ha yimi lo. So I think ukuqhubeka ungagive up, because sometimes as artists navele nihlala ngigive up. Ngiyavuka so ngithi shit. Hayi, lokhu no.
Lucky for me, because I just got killed. I'm not the ones going to marry you. Danky. Nyabonga, please follow us on Twitter. It's Enkundleni Exclusive. And then like us on Facebook at Enkundleni Exclusive. Did you subscribe?
Subscribe.
Yes, to Deb 3 events.
Yeah, I did.
Nice.
I love
nice.
Deb 3.
Yes, watch it Enkundleni Exclusive at Deb 3 events. Please definitely subscribe. And we'd like to invite anything that you want to advertise on this show. Please feel free to contact us in post konapana about Twitter, about Facebook, and we talk to you. And then you feel free to come and advertise. Looking forward to Ngisema Thandweni, dropping February.
Yes.
Month
Month of love.
Yes.